Welcome to the installation video for our PSB652. Here we have the comparison between the original bushing and our new PSB polyurethane bushing. Our bushing is comprised of two polyurethane parts as well as the freely rotating sleeve. After cleaning out the inner housing thoroughly, place lubricant to ease the installation. You can then just pop the bushings in by hand using a rubber mallet for assistance. Place lubricant on the inner part of the bushing before then installing the sleeve. And there you have our installed PSB652. Thanks for checking out our PSB installation video. We'll regularly be sharing these simple videos showcasing the different parts we have available. Please subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see a bit more. Otherwise, like or just drop us a comment. And if you want to purchase any of the parts you have seen, our online store for both Europe and North America are in the description below. Thanks again for watching.